Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly forecast, weekly horoscope for each and every sign. Going to talk about Sagittarius. Sagittarius, this week Mars is positioned in your Lagna, due to which your energy level will be quite high. Please try not to waste it lashing out at people or losing your temper. Please calm down yourself and stay cool and composed. Your expenditure will be quite high. You'll have to make sure that the situation remains in control and in hand. If there are any issue regarding your family matters, please do sort it out as soon as possible. At times, you could be all over the place, and sometimes you can be very upset and annoyed. Please do look after your family relationship. Whatever you do in relation to your profession, please think about the same seriously. Sagittarius, try and create a harmonious environment at home and make sure that there is no conflict with your loved ones. Your hard work will pay you back, but you got to be fully focused. Your profession will offer you some unique opportunities, but the final outcome will depend on your handling the same. The position of Saturn is such that you'll have to be very careful of your health and well-being. Energy will be quite high, but make sure that you use this energy in a most wisest way, most productive way, most creative way, and try to be wise. Position of Mars is prominent. Position of Mercury, Rahu is unique. You can be headhunted by a foreign company. Ketu, 4th house. Try not to wind up yourself. You have to be emotionally calm, composed, cool. Don't get carried away when you react towards anything. But stand by. Professional growth will be there. Stand by. Flow of income will be on rising. Stand by. New opportunities will be there. At the same time, be prepared for unexpected, huge expenditure. Sagittarius, task of the week. Donate 2 kg chana dal, 2 kg basmati rice to temple. Flow 4 kg chana dal in the fastest flowing river. Precaution of the week for Sagittarius. Please make sure that you use your energy in a most productive way, not in a destructive way. Chanting of the week. Om Sharim Harim Kalim Eng Vajra Verochniye Hum Hum Fat Swaha Chinmastaka. Mata Chinmastaka. 10 Mahavidyaon mein Chinmastaka. Chinmastaka, which can govern Rahu. Chinmastaka is one of the finest chanting. Om Sharim Harim Kalim Eng Vajra Verochniye Hum Hum Fat Swaha. Chinmastaka Ma can sort out anything for you. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more daily contents regarding monthly, yearly, Jupiter's transit, Saturn's transit, Ketu's transit, Rahu's transit for each and every sign, their effect and the task. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like. And also if you have any comments or suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me a comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. If you can, try to be a subscriber. The benefit of that one, you can claim a consultation for yourself. Why don't you make a whole family subscriber of Prakash Astrologer YouTube channel? Then all of you can claim an introductory consultation for all of yourself. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or you have any questions about yourself, first become a subscriber. Then send me an email, info@prakashastrologer.com. I'll be more than happy to respond to your email. First, make a whole family or yourself a subscriber and send me an email. Looking forward for your email. I'll be back with a lot more contents. Look after yourself and take care. Bye-bye.